YouTube, we're back with another video. We got some shoes from Upshoe. All the information will be in the link in the bio. But here we go. We got the Travis Scott Mocha reverse ones. As you can see here, just another great shoe. As you see in my last video, we got a pair of Travis's. They sent me another one. But I mean, got so many compliments on these. They're one to one. Everything about them is exact. I got a size 13 because, I got big foot. But I mean, these shoes are perfect, exact one-to-ones. You cannot tell a single difference. The bottom of the shoe looks a little worn just because I've worn it once, but I'm gonna put some pictures up on the screen real quick. These are some pictures I took with these shoes. Got a bunch of compliments. Everyone, you literally cannot tell a difference between these and the real ones. So I definitely recommend. All of the information for these shoes will be in the description, so you guys definitely gotta go check them out. I have the laces in here for my other shoes as well, as you can see, but these are the laces that come with the shoes. You got the brown to match the shoe, the red, and you also have the white pair. Here's all of the information. Definitely go check them out. Use that code for some for a discount as well. But I mean, looking at these shoes, you cannot tell me that they're literally one to one identical. I know I keep repeating myself, but I mean, you guys literally will not be able to find a pair of one to one reps closer and more high quality than these shoes right here. I mean, every single thing about these shoes is identical. It just screams that it's real. If unless you're one of those people who knows like to look for every single little thing, I'm sure you can find little imperfections from just like the normal eye. These are the exact same shoe. But that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. All the info's gonna be in the description. But I appreciate y'all. Other than that, it's been Sushi Dip. I'm out. Peace.